Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to log in Citizen Bank for home loan. Let's begin with the tutorial. First, open your desired browser, click on search bar, then type Citizen Bank. Then look for the Citizen Bank's link, click on it. There you can see some ad, ignore it. Then your home page will be opened. Click on products. You are searching for loan, so click on loan. Then there you can see many options of loan. We are taking for home loan, so we'll click on learn more. Then click on e-bank login. Here you have the requirements shown. What are the requirements? Read it. Right corner you can see login. Click on login. Enter your username and your password. And if you're having trouble signing in, you can click on having trouble signing in. Then after, click on login. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel.